Hello everyone. Sometimes we have to make a perfect shape of a circle, square and a straight line. By using Photoshop, it is a very simple way to make it a perfect shape of a circle, square and a straight line. As like that, pressing shift button and using rectangle tool will be a perfect square. By pressing shift button and drawing a circle will be a perfect rounded circle. Also, pressing shift button will give you a perfect straight line. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.